So imagine paying low monthly payments for years, and then all of a sudden, bam, you have this large amount of money that is due on the loan. That is called a balloon payment. Now, balloon payment is kind of like what it sounds like. It's this large, big balloon of a payment that's due at a certain period on certain types of loans. Not all loans have balloon payment, but the ones that do will have it specified in the terms on when that total remaining balance of the loan is due, and that's what a balloon payment is. Now, later in the video, I will talk about how balloon payments can actually be structured in your advantage, but also can ultimately trap you. So let's dive in. Some loans are structured with smaller monthly payments and a large balance that's due at the end. This is the balloon portion. So for example, a 5-year loan might amortize as if it's a 30-year loan, keeping the payments low, but at the end of year 5, the remaining balance is due in full. Now, investors sometimes use balloon loans because they provide flexibility and lower monthly cost in the short term. They're common in things like commercial loans or seller financing and even certain private money deals. But balloon payments do carry risk. If you can't refinance or sell when the balloon comes due, you actually can default. And that's why it's critical that you have a really good, solid exit strategy. Now, I want to say this pro tip. You can always, whenever you're buying a property, have multiple exit strategies. And I think that that's really important, is to think about multiple ways you would exit the property. Can you refinance? Could you sell the property? Don't take on a balloon loan without a clear plan to handle that final payment. And I'll say balloon payments buy you time. They do, though, demand a lot of preparation, and that, never assume refinancing will be guaranteed, because sometimes when interest rates change or values can change, you can end up getting stuck and in a very bad position to where you can't refinance. If you want to learn more about how you can invest in real estate, then be sure to subscribe to this channel, as I'm putting out content each and every single week. In fact, I've been putting out content for almost every day now for a while. And so check out the channel, subscribe to it if you're interested. Also, too, I have a free guide that I'm giving away. This is a guide on how I bought my first investment property and goes through the Burr method process that I used. It's absolutely free. If you're interested in getting that guide, be sure to comment below wealth in the comments, and I'll be happy to shoot you a free copy of that guide. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.